Welcome to Spoken English course.
I walk to school every day.
I walk to school every day.
She drinks coffee every morning.
She drinks coffee every morning.
They play football on weekends.
They play football on weekends.
He reads books regularly.
He reads books regularly.
We live in a big city.
We live in a big city.
My mother cooks delicious food.
My mother cooks delicious food.
You work very hard.
You work very hard.
He speaks 3 languages.
He speaks 3 languages.
Dogs bark at strangers.
Dogs bark at strangers.
I write emails to my friends.
I write emails to my friends.
She listens to music.
She listens to music.
They visit their grandparents often.
They visit their grandparents often.
The shop opens at 8 a.m.
The shop opens at 8 a.m.
He drives a red car.
He drives a red car.
We clean the house every Saturday.
We clean the house every Saturday.
The stars shine at night.
The stars shine at night.
You always help me.
You always help me.
My father works in a bank.
My father works in a bank.
I like ice cream.
I like ice cream.
They watch TV after dinner.
They watch TV after dinner.
The clock shows the correct time.
The clock shows the correct time.
He sings very well.
He sings very well.
The dog chases the cat.
The dog chases the cat.
She reads the newspaper every morning.
She reads the newspaper every morning.
They live near the school.
They live near the school.
The flowers bloom in spring.
The flowers bloom in spring.
He studies hard for exams.
He studies hard for exams.
We celebrate birthdays with cake.
We celebrate birthdays with cake.
The baby sleeps all day.
The baby sleeps all day.
You always smile.
You always smile.
My sister writes poems.
My sister writes poems.
The bus stops at every station.
The bus stops at every station.
They drink tea in the evening.
They drink tea in the evening.
She cooks dinner for the family.
She cooks dinner for the family.
The river flows quickly.
The river flows quickly.
We meet every Monday.
We meet every Monday.
The teacher gives homework.
The teacher gives homework.
He runs every morning.
He runs every morning.
They open the shop early.
They open the shop early.
I watch movies on weekends.
I watch movies on weekends.
She wears a red dress.
She wears a red dress.
I like to swim.
I like to swim.
She cleans the kitchen.
She cleans the kitchen.
We travel every summer.
We travel every summer.
He answers the phone quickly.
He answers the phone quickly.
The birds build nests in spring.
The birds build nests in spring.
We go to church on Sundays.
We go to church on Sundays.
They sell fresh fruits.
They sell fresh fruits.
She helps her friends.
She helps her friends.
The wind blows softly.
The wind blows softly.